Hi there, hope you're doing good. Let me start with an apology. The issue happened is that the last message I sent you, I thought that was the latest update file I shared, but that was not the one, and that was the wrong one. And there was there was a miscommunication, and I was thinking that you have received the file and I have shared the video, but I think that was shared in on wrong chat. I don't know, but maybe I haven't shared with anyone because I couldn't find that. And when I downloaded the last file shared, and I found that yes, you are right that it aligns with your comments that it's not matching with the fixture but the mode. So that was depending on the mode. So now I have made the change in the fixture. I'll share some detail with you as well so that you know that how the process went on. First of all, I tried to do this with the formulation, but that wasn't helping us because there was a limitation in the formula that not all the formula can get the values from all the tabs. Like if you add more universe tabs, currently we have 24, I guess. If you will add more, that's not going to cover that part, and that needs some small manual intervention, which I obviously don't want that in a process where we are doing automation. So switched to the Power Query thing, and I made everything. And the problem I found, and that was done already. That was done, completely done. But the problem I faced at the end when I was queuing it and updating it, the problem it was having that I want to use the data. Like, let me quickly show you. I want to pull the data from the same file, whereas when I'm giving it a link on another file, it's taking the link to that file. So when you will be updating that file, it will take it will take the source file from my PC, not yours. So I tried to automate it in a way that Power Query can take the data within that file, but and at the end I did that. Then another issue came in that the requirement within the files as a data source, we need a data table instead of just a simple table. We need a official Excel table, which is also not applicable in our case because we are keep on adding the data in here, and we are just using those dynamically updated tables as well. So then I switched to the VBA code, and I combined that code with this code as a separate module. Three separate modules have been generated. So once you'll be updating the data in any of the universe, that will update the data in the all universe data in this one, which will also create a list of all the fixture available. Then those fixture will get pushed into in this side on the right side of this table, where you can have the multiple fixtures. And based on those fixtures, our data will be presented in here in a vertical format with with proper spacing in between. So maybe three or four rows empty at the bottom so that you can easily recognize the fixture tables, the different groups of the fixtures. And this is how it's going to work. And then I have added another module that it's going to set a print that once you are going to print this page, it will show you it will cover all the new data available as well. All right, so let me quickly go through the process. The issue I will start with is that once you are updating the data, a new data in the universe, it's not populating on the consolidated tab. So I'll show you in here that on the last universe two, because I have so much data in the universe one, so I'll be testing with the universe two. So we have the last data available on universe two, row number 32, and the last color is yellow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another row to it, maybe another 7 entries in the universe number two with a color. Let me select brown, which is different than yellow, obviously. Then I'll take the down stage and I'll add another 6 or 7 entries and I'll execute it. As soon as I'll execute, it will update the data entry completed successfully. I can remove this. Maybe, yeah, I think it's good to have it a pop up that you have done the data updated. And as you can see, we can always ignore this, and I'll take you to, once you make an update, I can take you to maybe on consolidated tab, or maybe I can keep you in here as well. So I'll take you to consolidated tab as soon as you enter a new data. So here you can see I have added a new entry with the color strike M. So I'll check for the color strike M fixture. Is it, this one is here, and this should have at the end of the data, this should have a brown, I guess. Here it is. From the universe 2, it has pulled the data for the brown, and before that it was yellow, and now we have brown, and it ends the universe 2 at row number 15. So I'm going to add another so that you can see easily. I'll add another 5 entries in the universe number 2 with the color green or maybe red, this time downstage. and another six or four entries. Let me select five. Wow. Let's take six and I'll execute it. As soon as I execute the data, which is pushing the data into the universe, that will also update the data in the consolidated tab. And obviously it will update the it will update the all universe and consolidated tab. So here you can see the last entry we had, I think the 13. Now we have had another four, another six with the red color. These are the reds. So now we have another few, one, two, three, four, five, six, sorry, five. So let me go to the universe and see one, two, three, four, five. Yeah. So there are five in there, and those are updated in here as well. Let me show you quickly on maybe, I don't know, QPix. Let's go to QPix. I don't know how can I find that. CUP. No, we don't have. I don't know how we are going to get that. Let me quickly check this part because I'm not fluent in this one. Okay. We are taking this, and I don't think so. We have that. All right. So maybe I can test it with something else. Uh, let's test it with color Rado PXL. Let's take this one. Color Rado PXL bar 16, I guess. Is it bar 16? Yes, it is bar 16. So I'll add, I don't know, what is this? Event channel, maybe a standard channel. Okay, so something is there. I don't know what is this, how it is going to affect it, but let me try quickly, just a demo. And I'll add it to into universe number, I don't know, maybe three. Let's add it into three and let's see what happens. So entry, add into universe three. The color should be maybe blue. This should be upstage, and there should be another six entries. I'll execute it. So color Rado consolidated tab. So here you can see we have added, I don't know which color I just added. So let's go to the blue, add it into universe three, color Rado PXL bar 16. Universe 3. So we have added in these in here, blue, universe 3, and those are updated in here. So how it's going to update it in it, the sequence will always be the universe, because we are going to process all the universe. So obviously it will take universe one first, then second, then third, then fourth. So the data will be always be sorted by the universe. Sorted by the universe, but separated or filtered by the fixture. The only thing I would like to keep it in here is this part. I hope you don't have any problem with that, the mode part one, because we have splitted the mode into two. So that's it. And I hope, and let me apologize once again so for the delay, because I was not available at that time. I was on road and traveling, and really, I really missed that part that I didn't share the latest file, which was done way earlier, way back, maybe 7 or 8 days earlier. Um, and I don't know what happened, but I was unable to find the video as well. So I'm recording this video again, and let me apologize once again. This is my YouTube channel, and everyone will be listening to it. But yes, I would like to admit this part that I missed this part, and I missed the file sharing. So that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you find any ambiguity or any uncertainty, and if you find anything which is missing or off, I can fix that. And I'll make sure that once you make an entry, it will take you to the consolidated tab. But if you don't want to do that, please do let me know so that I can keep you on the entry tab as well. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.